Hello and welcome to the topic approach in language teaching, or what is approach in language teaching? What do we understand by approach in language teaching? Let's talk about it. Approach is fundamental to language teaching. It broadens your horizon of looking at a thing. It shapes your outlook, how you are going to execute a task. It guides how you are going to carry out a plan. We have some more information about approach. It is a way of doing a thing, a way of looking at something. In fact, it is a way of dealing with a problem. Let's talk more about approach. Approach gives rise to methods. It tells you about which method to choose in the classroom. It helps you better understand how to proceed with that particular method in actual situations. We have some more information about approach. An approach makes all the difference about the effectiveness of a particular teaching method. If your approach goes wrong, you may end up very badly in using a particular teaching method in the classroom. Remember, approach is your way of processing something. It is your way of teaching something. Let's talk more about it. According to Edward Anthony, an American applied linguist, approach is the level at which assumptions and beliefs about language and language learning are specified. Let's talk more about it. Approach refers to theories, practices, and principles. It refers to theories about the nature of language and language learning. In turn, those theories serve as the source of practices and principles in language teaching. This gives us an opportunity to examine the linguistic and psycholinguistic aspects of approach. So, what we know is that approach is your broader outlook. Within that broader outlook, you try to focus upon a particular field, and that particular field is language teaching. That is to say, your approach towards teaching. Once you zero in on language teaching, that is to say, your teaching approach evolves, you then look at its linguistic and psycholinguistic aspects of approach. In turn, these linguistic and psycholinguistic aspects of approach lead us to explore three different theoretical views of language, and they are as follow. The first one is structural view, second functional view, third interactional view. We move on to the next. Our linguistic and psycholinguistic aspects of approach help us form a structural view of language, functional view of language, and interactional view of language. Further structural view of language includes audiolingual method, total physical response, and silent way. Next, we have functional view of language includes communicative movement, notional syllabuses. Then we have interactional view of language. It includes language as interpersonal relations, social interactions. In my next lesson, I will talk each one of them in detail. But at the end, what we get is that it is the approach that controls and guides us to make best use of a particular method in the classroom. Remember, going wrong in approach will result into poor performance in the classroom, poor delivery of various methods in actual classroom settings. That is basically the idea of approach in language teaching. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.